All right, so in this video today, we're going to talk about two things. One is the Quantum Insider is presenting the feature-length documentary film, Our Quantum Future, and that premiere is happening tomorrow night in Colorado. So I'm here for just one day and then heading over there. The second thing we're going to talk about is Inflection. I've arranged a site visit on Inflection's headquarters. I'm going to talk to a couple of their scientists and explore their headquarters and a couple of different campuses they have and hopefully put together a fun video. So we're going to just do a preview today of Our Quantum Future and the Inflection site visit. So I'm really excited. And if you follow the channel, you know I just got back from a trip. I actually just got off a plane late last night from Scotland, and now tomorrow morning, very early, flying out to Colorado to visit Inflection's headquarters and also view Our Quantum Future for the first time with a bunch of different people in the industry. So very exciting. Why don't we first start with rolling the trailer so you can get an idea of what Our Quantum Future is. Let's roll it right now.
Quantum mechanics and relativity are the place where physics becomes really surprising and conceptually revolutionary.
There is a completely different way to do computation.
Quantum computing is the only thing that fundamentally changes the rules of computation.
And it was always supposed to be 5 years off or 10 years off. And I thought quantum computing might be like that. I don't now.
It's clear that sooner rather than later, we're going to have quantum computers.
We have seen evolutions of technology. Now we're about to see a revolution.
But every new technology has consequences.
Scientists say it's the technology that could revolutionize computing.
U.S. companies are spending billions of dollars investing in Chinese companies involved in critical technologies like quantum computing.
There is absolutely a geopolitical arms race on
Between companies and nations.
National governments, the number one reasons that they're behind this is national security. China, the numbers are off the charts on what they're investing in it.
There's a reason to fear getting behind in quantum, so you have to participate in that race. You don't have a choice.
How do we think about what's actually going on?
What can I do when I have the quantum computers? How can I change the world by designing new chemicals, new materials?
But you do have to be willing to take some chances and accept failure.
It would be much easier to build a spaceship to fly to Mars. But building the quantum computer is more exciting.
Quantum's going to be the world that we live in.
We're going to be able to simulate so much chemistry and so much physics that we cannot simulate today. Things like clean energy, clean air batteries for electric cars.
They have this tool and now they're going at light speed and they're doing things that they never even considered were possible.
We're doing this. We are solving problems today.
We're not going to be told what to do by the suits, and we don't care what anyone else thinks. That's what quantum is today.
And kind of satisfies a need to explore the world.
We haven't even started to scratch the surface about what these machines can do.
So as you can see, there are a ton of scientists and industry leaders that are in this film. And I'm over here on ourquantumfuture.com and just taking a look at all of the information that they've put together. So the Quantum Insider, which is the leading publication and news outlet for all things quantum, has done an incredible job rounding up people from all over and big voices in the industry. We can see that IonQ, D-Wave, Oxford, Microsoft, and William Phillips of NIST and Harvard University is going to be there. 19 countries visited, 35 hours of footage, and 40 in-depth interviews. Incredible effort here. I'm so excited to see this materialize. So another exciting thing is while I'm at the Quantum Insider at this event, I'm actually going to sit down with Evan Kubes, who's the president at the Quantum Insider. And of course, Evan has had a ton of creative direction over this documentary film, and I'm super excited to sit down with him and talk about the making of the film. So the idea with this film, of course, is to kind of connect researchers, innovators, and investors in the field. Looks like they did interviews with Google, Classy, Quantinuum, the National Quantum Computing Center, and Alex Chalens, the CEO of the Quantum Insider, Alan Barretts. This is really exciting, you guys. This is huge. This is a landmark sort of event and film here to really properly tell the story of what is happening in quantum computing and all of the different voices, the brilliant people that are in the industry. I'm so grateful to have been invited to this premiere with all of these brilliant people, get to view this film for the first time and speak with the Quantum Insider. So big shout out to them. And definitely, if you all aren't looking at the Quantum Insider for your quantum related news, for sure check that out. So very exciting film. Can't wait to go see it. The other piece of this is while I'm over in Colorado, a site visit on Inflection's headquarters. So my goal with this visit is to tell the story of Inflection, to put some faces with names and show off their technology. I'm so excited to visit their campuses and learn more about the technology from their sensing, of course. We know that they have computing and their ticker atomic clock. I'm going to get to speak at length with them about that. Their sensing and their software and quantum cores. Super excited to see how this all fits together. Of course, we've talked with Matt Kinsella on the show, the CEO of Inflection, and he's given us a lot of insight into how the technology is sort of interoperable, like that once you have these quantum cores, they can be used in different scenarios. So it will be great to learn more about neutral atoms and also see the technology right in front of us. So I'm hoping that will be really, really a great learning experience for all of us. Of course, Inflection is known for their quantum computing with neutral atom computing. They also are leaders in quantum sensing for critical infrastructure and security. And of course, they have their neutral atom quantum cores. So needless to say, tomorrow is going to be a very busy day for myself and of course the Quantum Bowl channel. I hope that you guys, if you're interested in seeing content around this, make sure you like and subscribe. And I really 100% got to say, this is going to be an exciting day no matter which way you look at it. I think as investors, when we get to see the storylines that develop around all of these different companies, not only the quantum hardware, but then we actually get to go and see the buildings themselves, the people that are working in them. I think it just helps us as investors get more connected and more conviction to the reason why we're investing. And of course, we can spend our money on many things, and there's lots of things to invest in this world. But I remain so fascinated by quantum computing and post-quantum cybersecurity. I really think this is an incredible time. Of course, on the larger world stage, being that my name is Majid and I'm half Iranian. My dad was from Iran, and seeing that war is never really a great thing to happen, I do hope that the people of Iran can stay safe and that the outcome of this can be that they can retake control of their government and they can define their future. As a half Iranian that has never been there, I cannot speak for them, but I hope that the result of all of this is something that they can build upon. All right, everyone. So I'm really, really excited. As you can tell, tomorrow is going to be a huge day. Make sure you subscribe and like, and I will keep you all updated. We'll see you in the next one.